All right, so here's my Publix haul for the week. A little late. This is for September 29th to October 5th. So late, obvious reasons. We had a hurricane come through here. Well, the hurricane knocked over a lawn chair. So not really a hurricane. I'm gonna get on a little tangent here, so I know some people aren't gonna like this, but the news overhypes this stuff. I think they overhype it. They're a business. They want their ratings. They want people to watch. They want you to intrigue you. I mean, but they borderline scare you. So just what they should say is the hurricane is unpredictable. There's maybe a 10% chance it could come to your city if you live along the coast. But instead, they pick the biggest city, Tampa, and they say, it's coming right at us. Everybody evacuate, you know, and then that boosts the economy. Everybody buys gas, groceries. I mean, we just wiped out the dairy section. I know I'm going on a tangent here, and they I think they overhype it. They should just kind of tell you, hey, there's a chance it could hit. If it hits, you got to prepare for it. But as we know, it's unpredictable. It could hit anywhere. But anyways, basically nothing really happened. I mean, here, obviously, it did do a lot of damage. Fort Myers area, Naples area, and yes, I feel bad for those people. But also, if you live on the coast, it kind of comes with the territory. You're kind of, if there's going to be a storm, you're gonna have to really prepare or be with. I know some people aren't gonna like what I'm saying. I'm sorry. I'm just giving my opinion. I think they scare you. They want their ratings. They're trying to boost their ratings and everything. So they kind of overhype these things. Regardless, they close Publix Wednesday, Thursday. They're out of most of the stuff Friday. Today's Sunday. At least I'm trying to get a video here up to you. And a lot of good deals. Still, there was no flyers in my store. There was no dairy. Everybody bought everything. So did my best here on my highs. I haven't really added it up yet, but it's over $200 worth of stuff, I'm thinking, and around a $20 overage moneymaker on these items here. So let me get right into these deals here. Yes, and I'm sorry for the people. I mean, people are definitely going to lose power. Wind blows, trees fall, knocks out power. And yes, I do feel bad for those people who had that, but I don't really like how the news portrays it. They should say, like, there is a chance it should hit. Instead, they pick the biggest city and say it's coming right at us. Get out of here. Evacuate, boost the economy. But okay, let's get to the couponing here. All right, so always discreet, and I did this in two transactions because this was such a good deal here. The regular price of these $5.99, so for two of them would cost $12.88 when you factor the tax. However, they are on sale for $2 off each one, so this is the time to buy them and use your coupons. So they come to $8.59 with tax for two of them, and then you're getting use this again from the PG of October, $5 off. Click that digital coupon, do that at the end, plug in your phone number, that takes another $5 off, and then submit to Stocking Spree, takes another $2.40 back. It's $3.81 overage on these two, $3.81 overage on these two. So obviously I'm going to take them when they're paying me over $7.62 for those four of those right there. What else we got? Let's see. I wanted to get the Knicks bar. I had another digital coupon for a free one, but they did not have it. But I got the Almond Breeze. That was there. So regular price $4.39. It's on sale for $3.50 this week. There is a digital coupon for a free one. So hopefully you've clipped that. If you watch my channel, clip all the digital coupons, clip all your Ibotta rebates, have them ready, because this was for a completely free one. And of course, it's also on Ibotta for $1 back, and any item is another 10 cents back. So that was $1.10 overage on the Almond Breeze. Demerts, this is another Publix digital coupon for a freebie. Just pay the tax. It was like $1.92, $1.79 back, 13 cents for that. I was working up to something. Easily got up to $50 to get $10 off a happy gift card. There's a few of them. I go to Red Lobster sometimes, so this will definitely come in handy. Doesn't expire to 2028. So it is a digital coupon. It expires October 5th. So if you want to do that, there's a couple of them. So you want to do that, you can do that. All right. Carbona deal. All right. So this is one's $5.89, one's $5.69. You pay for the higher one when you buy one of each. That came to $5.89 plus tax, $6.33. Got the hang tags for $1 off. Find that those hang tags. Use 2 of those $1 off hang tags. Ibotta has $1 off of each one. Actually, as I said, I got all mine clipped full. So this one gave me $2 off because it gave me the bigger size. This one gave me $1 off. I wasn't gonna argue with them. No. All right. So that was $1.33 for both of those. Keep going. Centrum. Oh boy, yeah. Centrum deal is back. It is regularly $9.99. Was $9.59, and I'll get to that in a minute. $9.99, and there is a store coupon. Expires October 9th for $3 off. And then from the save last Sunday, that'd be like the 20-something. I got the detailed breakdown below. Took $3 off, and then coupons.com has another $3 off. And lucky me, of course, it rang up $9.99. The price was $9.59, so they gave me all that back. That was a $9 overage right there on that. So be aware. What I'm saying is, you know, maybe you get it for 99 cents, or maybe, you know, if you're aware and it's priced wrong, you can do pretty good on there. All right, let's go to the Tena pads. There was, I do not have the coupon because I used them, but they came out today. Smart Source, October 2nd. It's $2 off. And there's also $4 back on 2 on checkout 51. So the way I did it is I bought 4 of them, and I bought 2 of this tru-stay Band-Aid deal. Band-Aids, these are the 60 count tru-stay. So you buy 4 pads and 2 of those. Makes your grand total without tax $30.34. With tax comes at $32.14. And since you got over $30, I got a link below. You get a $10 rebate for a Publix gift card if you go over 30, and you're just over 30 with that. So you're getting, I haven't gotten that back, but I'm confident I will have in the past. So you're getting that $10 back, and then as I mentioned, from the Smart Source, October 2nd, there's a $2 off. So you use 4 of those. That's $8 to the good. Checkout 51 has $4 off of every 2. That's another $8 to the good. Let's see what else. There's a store coupon for the Band-Aids that took $3 off. There is this from the save August 7th, took $2 off. Now this one expired today, so you can't use that, but there's 75 cents off digital coupon. And there's also a 75 cent coupons.com rebate, and also a $2 coupons.com rebate for the pads. So I spent $32.14. I got 10 back from the Activate Rewards rebate. I got 8 back from the manufacturer coupons. I got 8 from the Checkout 51. I got $3 from the store coupon, $2 from the manufacturer coupon, and $2 from coupons.com, and the 75 cents back from coupons.com made it $1.61 overage for those 6 items right there. All right, keep going. All right, Body Armor Edge. So these are just $2 each. But if you look, there's a hang tag for buy one, get one free. So that made it $1. And then there's 50 cents off of each one. So they made them 50 cents each for those from the store coupon. And you can see when it expires there. But look for these hang tags. Not in every store, not all the time, but I was able to find them. So use that and utilize that. M&M's. So if you can get the share 2.83 size by the register, just normal price, I guess, is like $2.50 for these, and Fetch gives you 100% back. So check your Fetch. Gives you a free bag of M&Ms. All right, keep it going. Perfect Bar. I already tore into that thing. So that was $2.99, $2.79, and Ibotta gives you back $2.99. So check your Ibotta for a free Perfect Bar. That's a 20-cent overage right there. Keep going. Oh boy, Claritin reditabs. This is why I got a big overage here. A big. It was a big deal. It was a big heist here. Let's see. So regular for these, I believe, are $26.99. So for 3 of them are $80.97. They're on clearance for $13.49. So if we look from, they're not on the clearance table. They're right where the Claritin is. And then from this week's Smart Source 10-2, there's an $8 off coupon. It says non-drowsy Claritin D, I believe, but you know, it scanned and everything went through. And then there's a $2 store coupon. Great, I don't have that on the table. I should have that. That's from the Extra Savings book. That took $12 off times 3. That equals $36 off. And as I mentioned, they were on clearance, so they came to, oh gosh, half of a. They came to around $40. As I said, I got the detailed breakdown below. Basically, Fetch gave you a little back too, so it's $4.07 from $80.97. I paid $4.07 for those 3 boxes of those Claritin Junior. All right, next keto bar. There we go, right there. So there's a Publix digital coupon for a free one. If you haven't used that yet, use that. All right, Oxy. Let's go with the Oxy here. Regular price is, gosh, maybe $4.49. They're $1 off, so it come to $3.49 with tax, $3.75. There's $1 printable. I got a link to print that below, making that only $2.75 for that. I bought these because there's a bonus size, so that's pretty good. If you can find that bonus size, you can save even more there. So Ocus Light and Fit yogurt. So these are just $4.89 each. So gosh, that's around almost $10. $9.78. Look at that math. But for whatever I said, $4.89, and they are BOGO. So you get 2 of them for $4.89, and Ibotta has $3 off if you buy 2 of them. So they came to $1.89 for both of those. Glade, Glade plugin. So as I said, I did 2 transactions. So I did this twice because it was a good deal you can't really pass up. It's kind of like this always deal. Good money makers. So these were $1.99 with tax, $2.14, something like that. There is a Publix digital coupon that takes $2.50 off, and then coupons.com also has $2.50 back. Now, if you're just gonna go in there and buy one of these and try to use that and the digital coupon and coupons.com, it might be tough. But as you see, I got many things here. So $2.50 came off. There's also bought a rebate for 50 cents back. So $2.15 spent on that, $2.14 spent, $2.50 from the digital coupon, $2.50 from coupons.com, 50 cents from Ibotta. That was a $3.36 overage moneymaker. And of course I did it again. This time obviously I didn't have that much of a moneymaker. I just had around a 36-cent overage moneymaker on that. All right, keep it going. What did I forget? The Dove. These are Dove body polish, and there is a coupon for a buy one get one free. So that came in the save October 2nd today. And that also, there's also Fetch has 50 cent back, so it makes those free supposedly, but they're $8.19, and it's, you only get $6.99 back depending on the cashier what they're going to give you back. But they gave me $6.99 back, and I'm not going to complain. I did pretty good today, I'd say. So and Fetch was around $8.30 back. So bottom line for those, I think about $2.38 total for both of those. Not bad, because they're like $16 total, or $8 each. So once again, subscribe to that guy that said all that stuff about the hurricane and the news overhyping everything. And, hey, all right, bottom line is you got to be prepared. They want you to be prepared. And if they don't say anything, and everybody will be pointing fingers at the weatherman saying, why didn't you warn us? Why didn't you warn us? So they definitely warn you. they definitely warn you. And hey, you know, they want their ratings. They want you to watch. They want to keep you intrigued. My thoughts, my opinion, I think, okay? But regardless, they want you to be safe. So prepare and be safe. And everybody be safe, and everybody enjoy their couponing this week.